What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at a really bad dent on a trunk of this Nissan Micra. But before we do that, please click the like button if you like the content I'm putting out. It is helping the YouTube algorithm. The damage on this Nissan was caused by actually pushing in with the hands, and as you can see, the damage almost covers the whole trunk. To start, we need to first clean the panel, so then we can use the Glaxo cold glue. With Glaxo, I want to get the majority of the meat out before I start pushing on this dent. I use some heat along the way so the Glaxo grabs better. At this point of the repair, I prefer to start pushing, as we have a bunch of different smaller dents. To push this, we first need to do R&I. We want this panel away so it will look like this. Removing the clips away to get that trim panel off so we can gain access to push the dent. While I was pushing, I tried a few different tips to see which one would work best for me on this type of damage. I ended up going with the R4 cherry cap to finish the rest of this repair. Here is the finished product under the lines. We're gonna see it under the light and as well without it. I didn't have to use any sanding or buffing. And the customer was really happy with the repair. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a really bad damage to fix, but we did our best. So make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button down below, and I will see you on the next one.